साल्वादोर द मुंद हांगासर बेकायदेशीरपणान झाडां कापून रस्तो करपाच्या कामाक सुरवात केल्या म्हूण सोमारा पर्वरचे आमदार रोहन खंवटेन रान अधिकाऱ्यांक घेवन ह्या सुवातेची तपासणी केली। ह्या कामा आड रान अधिकाऱ्यान अज्ञात मनशा आड FIR नोंद केला। हाचेर बेगिना बेगीन कारवाय करतले अशी माहिती विनोद कुमार हांणी दिल्या। RDX खातीर किटलच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
As far as TCP is concerned, we were called for site inspection for 256 survey number, where the compound wall permission was given based on traditional access. After that, it has been informed verbally that it is a private forest, and list was given to us. And accordingly, we have revoked the license of compound wall. This much is only TCP role, and permission has already been revoked.
Okay, whose property is this?
It is some private property. It is some private property.
When you have given the permission?
Date is not readily available, but it is 15-20 days back, and thereafter it has been revoked.
Permission was given for the project?
No, compound wall. And he is already having a Gadga compound wall, and the license has not been given, and we have also revoked our permission.
Illegal tree felling, illegal development in survey number 264 and 265 were complaints which were coming in as far village panchayat Salvador the Mund is concerned. Anga problem parat the issues I have been continually raising in the assembly. These are the same issues which we can see inside. Regional plan is not demarcating anything. Sawant and Karapurkar reports are still not accepted by the government. Now VT Thomas committees have given something called as preliminary identified private forest. The preliminary identified private forest TCP MAPSA, which is supposed to overlook Bardez, says that they have not received a copy of the private forest. They have given earlier a permission for putting a compound wall. जी लॉब्रा आसा ती लॉब्रा पळोवन तांणी कंपाउंड वॉल दिला आणि एज्युमिंग दॅट दिस इज अ ट्रेडिशनल पाथवे.
आमकां कंप्लेंट आयली की इलिगल डोजिंग जाला म्हणून आनी फेलिंग जाला म्हणून. इमिजिएटली आमी सायटीर रश जाले आनी जे कितें पळयलें ताजेर आमी अंडर प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ ट्री एक्ट एक्शन घेतली. पंचनामा ड्रॉ केलो. ट्री फेलिंग जितली जाला ते सगळे आमी सीज केला आणि फर्दर इन्क्वायरी चालू आसा.
कितली झाडां हे केल्या तेणी?
टोटल 74 झाडां मारल्या आणि आमी ही जी जमीन आहा ती कम्युनिदाद एटर्नी ओनर आहा ताका आमी ऑलरेडी लेटर करून इन्फॉर्म केला आणि तूं येवन हांगा तुजें स्टेटमेंट दी आनी फुडलें इन्वेस्टिगेशन करपाक आमकां इजी जातलें. म्हणजे कोणें कितें केलां जाल्यार तें फायंड आउट करपाक. एंथनी ह्या मनशान कंप्लेंट दिल्ली. एंथनी कंप्लेंट जातकीच इमिजिएट आमी हांगा सायटीर रश जाले. तेणे फोनार CFाक हेड ऑफिसान आमकां कंप्लेंट दिल्ली, आमच्या ऑफिसान दिवंक ना. प्रिलिमिनरी आयडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्टान येता म्हणजे ते सद्या तेजें आयडेंटिफिकेशन ऑन प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज. जर तशें आसा जाल्यार आमी हो रिपोर्ट आमी DCFाक ऑलरेडी करतले इन्क्वायरीजान आनी अकॉर्डिंगली DCF वील टेक फर्दर डिसिजन टू फायल इन द कोर्ट or NGT.